already have my fitted sheet and my flat sheet, so I'm just gonna go with this beautiful quilted sheet that I got from Amazon.
Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you
On February 10 and 17, I'm going to be in my husband's channel. The name of his channel is I Live Life on Purpose. We're going to be sharing our love story, what's working, what's not working for us. I would love to see you guys there. It's going to be a live session at 7 p.m. Until then, go check him out. He shares tips on money, life, and relationships. Link for his channel will be in the description box and in the comment section.
taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. Cause I'm next in line. You make it look so.
I'm adding the pillows that we sleep on, and the satin pillowcases are from Amazon.
Take a chance, give it all to me, give it all to me, take a chance, give it all to me, give it all to me, take a chance, give it all to me, give it all to me, take a chance, give it all to me, give it all to me, show my love for you, show my love for you, show my love for you, show my love for you. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat, just wanna give you my best. I don't even
If you are new to my channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. And to my returning Glam Squad, thank you so much for coming back. Please follow me on Instagram at Glam Style with Dalou.
give it all to me, give it all to me, take a chance, give it all to me, give it all to me.
I have this beautiful pillow that I got from Z Gallery, but I'm not gonna use this color because I want all white pillows. So yeah.
I don't know about you, but you make me crazy. Never got your name, but you got me begging. I don't know about you, you like to pick and choose. Make it all about you. Go take it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head, not gonna leave it at that. Taking the lead, feeling your heat. Just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. Cause I'm next in line.
This one is from Home Goods for $25.
Making me feel so dreamy. Not the one who pays for drinks, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. Got me locked in now. Go ahead and take a shot. Do you really want me? Maybe you're just playing. The way you're making it move. Yeah, you do it so smooth. Make it all about you. Can have it all if you want. Taking the chance, stuck in my head.
Because it's Valentine's Day season, so I'm gonna top it up with this beautiful red pillows that I got from Burlington for $13, I think. Oh, these are pillowcases from Amazon.
Feeling your heat, just wanna give you my best. I don't even know your name, but you got me. Cause you're old to die. We don't know what happens next, but you got me. Cause I'm next in line. You make it look so easy, making me feel so dreamy.
This blanket is from Home Goods.
Cause you're old to die. Take a chance, give it all to me, give it all to me. Take a chance, give it all to me, give it all to me. Take a chance, give it all to me, give it all to me.
The tray is from Macys.
Take a chance,
I'm gonna finish with the tray later. Meanwhile, I'm gonna move on to the nightstands. On the nightstand, I'm gonna keep it the way it is. I'm adding one photo frame and a candle. This pillow is from Home Goods. This bottle is a gift for my husband, and inside the bottle has a scroll that has the same message that I show you guys from the wall art I showed you the other day. On this table, I added this beautiful vase from Burlington with some flowers. Actually, the flowers are from Macys. I got some hydrangeas, calla lilies, and I don't know I don't know the name of this flower. This crystal thing, they are personalized. Wine glasses from Hobby Lobby, 2 of them. I'm gonna add these vase with some branches, loose branches that I've been using to do different things, so we're gonna add them in. We're gonna add some wine, of course, with a little ring on the neck to make it super cute. I'm gonna add this orb on the tray, and then to finish it up, I'm gonna add this heart-shaped candle from Home Goods. Of course, I add my throw from Home Goods. You guys have seen it. Over here, I'm gonna keep it the same, but I'm just gonna add this book. This book is from Amazon as well. Gold vase from Target, and I'm keeping my old flowers. So over here, I'm just gonna add some tea light inside here, and that's it.
Pasaron las 12, solo amigos con derechos para no podernos vivirnos el goce. ¿Sabes cómo resumirme? Yeah, yeah. Como la chica fantasma, baby. No quiero nada, solo tú en mi habitación. Yo no quiero nada, yo no quiero esta relación, yeah. Ni romperte el corazón, yeah, yeah. Refrescame la mente para recordarte, bebé. Baby, el que se enamora pierde. Por eso ya te olvidé. Te digo que te amo, no es verdad. El calentón me pone mal. Sabes que no estoy.
Many of the furnitures and the accessories in this room were purchased online. Links for everything will be in the description box. Also, I will link one of the original video for this room where you can find out where everything came from. Everything will be in the description box.
Yo acá, y abajo la sábana, me gusta. gusta que te dejes llevar. No quiero más que placer, no, no, no. Que nos llevamos muy bien, yeah, yeah, yeah. Tengo ganas de quitarte las ganas que se te van. Tú encima de mí, juro que eso voy a recordar. A recordarte, bebé. Baby, el que se enamora pierde. Por eso ya te olvidé. Y digo que te amo, no es verdad. El calentón me pone mal. Sabes que no estoy para jugar a la pareja ideal. Vamos a poner el ambiente, que ya pasaron las 12. Solo amigos con derechos para no jodernos, vivirnos el goce. ¿Sabes cómo resumirme? Yeah, yeah. Como la chica fantasma, baby. No quiero nada, solo tú en mi habitación.
I thought I would add a little bit of Zamzam-Zoom for that night. I hope you guys will enjoy it. Guys, if you liked today's video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. I thank you for spending some time with me today. I will see you on my next video. Please hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. I love you always. Bye bye. Mwah!